everyone, this is Surender. I welcome you back to another video in my YouTube channel. So this video is going to be the continuation of the previous video, and the previous video was what is Navisworks. In that video I was discussing what the Navisworks main purpose alone. So and in this video what I am going to do is I am going to establish all the capabilities and features of Navisworks. So when I did my research and tried to categorize Navisworks capabilities, I ended up with 9 use cases or 9 different features of Navisworks. So those are, first one is viewer software, second one is navigation through the model, third one is object selection, and the fourth one is reviews or markups, fifth one is model based quantity takeoff, sixth one is 4D 5D simulation, seventh one is class deduction, eighth one is scripting and animation, ninth one is rendering. So let us see one by one all the use cases. I will be explaining, I will be showing it. The first use case is a viewer. So about viewer software already I discussed in the previous video. Please go to that video and see that and understand. So and second use case is the navigation through the model. So navigation through the model is navigating through the model through Revit is not that easy. So in this Navisworks it is made very easy. So navigation tools are available in the viewpoint tab and navigation panel. So I'm not going to explain all the features. So I'm just trying to say is navigation through the model is very easy in the Navisworks. So I can get into the model, I can look around, I get into the model, I can look around the model, I can check any property of the objects which are part of Revit model. So now I went in the model, now I can go up and down, now I can look around, now I can walk in front, I can walk backwards. So like this we can do all the navigation with these. So that is what the second use case. The third use case it's going to be, third use case it is going to be object selection. So Revit allows, Navisworks. So Navisworks allow you to select any object in the BIM model. So it allows you to select through various options, various ways of selecting is also available. So in this only one selecting option I am going to explain, that is selection tree. Selection tree is the total breakup of the model under different categories. In this case it is categorized under levels. So each level has different objects and any object can be selected. Okay. So now I am trying to select level 1. Level 1 got selected. Level 2 got selected if I am trying to select level 2. So level 4 I am trying to select. So like that selection, various ways of selecting an object can be done using Navisworks. So that is the third use case. The fourth use case is going to be reviews or markups. So reviews or markups is Revit allows you to have a comment or a design change can be indicated by the another user to the design team or within design team itself. So, so I will go to the first view. So in this I have drawn a cloud around the 3D model and I have given the command change the solar panels. So this is possible in the Navisworks, which is not possible in the Revit. Okay. Now if I go to another view, here we have more markup tools. One is there is add rigid grills and change materials. This is two red line text I have given. So what is the problem using red line text is if I have around 20 commands in this view. So in that view I cannot have different text. If I have, it will be cumbersome, it will not be easy to see. So to avoid that, Navisworks has a feature called tags. You see number 1, number 2, there is tag 1 and tag 2. If I want to see what is the tag contains, I have to go for a view comments. So this is tag 1, it is saying grill change, tag 2 it is saying change the color to white. So this like I can create n number of tags and n number of comments we can have, and even we can have status to the comment. So what is the comment status also we can check it out. So that is all about review and markup tools. Yeah, another feature of in the markup tools is the links. So now there are different links which is available in the model. If you see, this is a Revit link. So this is all Revit links. So here I have created a hyperlink called board type. So now what happens is it is allowing to pin the link to the 3D model element. So what happens is now if I want a material of this board, so I am trying to see in the properties, it is not available. So I will create a hyperlink. If I click the hyperlink, a web page is popping up. In the web page we can have the information which I want to show to the user. So this is all about reviews and markups. So next feature is model based quantity takeoff. So model based quantity takeoff is another powerful feature of Navisworks. So what it does is any object if you select, that object's called length, width, time, sorry not time, length, width, thickness, area, volume and weight can be obtained. So with that we can do the estimation. So now I have created a template. There is a difference between the Revit schedule and quantification tab in the Navisworks. In the Revit schedule it is giving extensive information and it has so many columns, but categorizing or grouping of elements is not possible in the Revit schedule, but in this it is possible in the Navisworks. We can create a substructure, we can create a superstructure. Under substructure I can have foundation, excavation, and in the superstructure I can have ground floor, first floor. Like that I can categorize on my own, and under the categorization I can allot a model element to that, but model element properties will be displayed here. So if you see model length, width, thickness, height, volume and weight will come. So with this information you have to do the quantity estimation. So this is the another feature of Navisworks, that is model based quantity estimation or quantity takeoff. So next one we will go to the 4D 5D simulation. 4D means time, fourth dimension, fifth dimension is cost. So that 4D 5D simulations can be done in Navisworks. So I am going to timeliner option, I am playing the simulation. So here if you see time is running out and even the tasks are being displaced. So the model is progressing with time and cost. That can be captured or displayed using with the help of Navisworks. So this is 4D 5D simulation. Let the simulation gets over. Yeah, this is 4D 5D simulation. The next feature is class detection. So class detection is another powerful feature of Navisworks. So I would say BIM itself got famous due to this option. So before class detection nobody was bothering about BIM that much. After class detection came, everyone tried to look about, okay, this is a BIM is a useful tool, or useful, sorry not tool, BIM is a useful process which we have to abide. So here I have different clashes. The red one is different object or a different stream of object, green one is different object. This both are clashing each other. So like this I can create a class detection. This is another feature of the Navisworks. I would say powerful feature again. So next feature is scripting and animation. So scripting and animation is two different things. Scripting is nothing but set of triggers. Animation is set of motion for the Revit object or a Navisworks object. So now I will show animation which I created using Navisworks. So I have created door open close animation. The door is opening automatically and it is closing automatically. So this animation I created to Navisworks. Now this animation can be triggered by using a script. So here is a script. I am created a trigger called collision. If I collide with this door will automatically open. If I come out of the collision, door will automatically close. So this is a trigger. So like this we can create a trigger using scripter. After creating triggers, for every trigger we can have some action. That can be animation. So this is what scripting and animation is all about. The last use case of Navisworks which I found was rendering. So same rendering engine which is available in Revit is available in Navisworks. So we can do rendering is also in the Navisworks. So this is all the 9 capabilities which I have figured out through my research. So if you have any comments, please comment in the dialog box, comment section, very sorry. You can comment in the comment section, and if you like this video, please like it. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and wait for upcoming videos. Thank you.